All right, well done, Math 114 students. You basically have found the Getting Started module. Here's just a really quick short video to kind of walk you through what you're going to find in the module. And of course, each page has more details. So without further ado, oh, by the way, the other thing I want to make sure before you do anything else, and maybe even before you finish this video, please make sure you go and read the course syllabus. Browse through it, make sure you understand the rules, the ideas, the concepts, the idea that how this is a module-based class, guided notes, uploading assignments, uploading those guided notes, doing homework on my math lab from Pearson, interacting on a discussion board. I'm going to walk you through all those dynamics, but just make sure you understand some of the rules that I've set up with regard to all that stuff. That'll help you read through some of the material I have as well as some of the videos. So please make sure you have done that. Let me go ahead and share my screen. And so what you're looking at is basically the first page of our getting started. It's essentially an orientation of the course. What I've done is kind of summarized some of the major points from the syllabus about as far as expectations and what you should be doing once the ball gets rolling here on a week-to-week basis. Also, I've broken down some online expectations of you. You'll be working through modules, uh, doing guided notes, uploading those guided notes. You'll be doing your homework on my math lab, which is a separate software program. And then you'll probably be using Canvas to access your grades, do student email, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So make sure you do that as we go through some of the items here. And then yeah, so just verbally, or I've written down some things that kind of mimic or highlight what went on in the syllabus. So please make sure you read all of that. To progress through a module, you're going to go to the bottom of a page and go to next. On this next page, what you found are a couple of videos that I have been using. They're not my videos. Rather than reinventing the wheel, I thought I'll just use what's available. The first video is basically an overall Canvas view, overview. If it's been a while since you've used Canvas, it's a good review. If you've never used Canvas, it's a great place to start. Excuse me. The second one is how to use Canvas email. At this stage of the game, I want to make sure you guys understand that there's two different types of email accounts. There's the one in Canvas, and then there's the one that's your student email account, the at maricopa.edu. They're very different. I prefer to use the student email because Canvas email is just between you and myself. If we need to get another instructor involved, maybe we need to get your advisor involved, maybe even a parent, who knows? It's hard to get other people involved in an email discussion in Canvas if they're not part of the course. So a lot of the dialogue I do is through your student email. So just make sure, even though I've walked you through the Canvas email, make sure you're checking both accounts almost daily, if not weekly. Again, press the page and you're into the next one. Here I talk about Canvas assignments. That's essentially what your guided notes are. You're going to watch the videos and fill out the notes. And I just want to again reiterate the syllabi. Only guided notes that are submitted through Canvas and through the assignment pages will be graded. Anything else will not. All right, so just make sure you're aware of that. Again, there's a video here that I did not make. I found it from a colleague, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It basically walks you through how to submit an assignment and view grades via Canvas. Once you've watched that, go to the next page. And again, I found another video. This one is about once you've submitted the assignments, I will be giving you feedback, especially if I take points away. I'll tell you why I took those points away, so you'll have an opportunity to correct it. And so this video basically goes over how to read my feedback and where to find it. Again, related to the syllabi, please make sure you also read some of the details that are down here. More importantly, the idea that for guided notes, there are no late submissions. Make sure that you are working in a timely manner. If you miss a deadline, if you don't upload something correctly, you will be given a 0. So just make sure you're working in a timely manner. If you go to the next page of the Getting Started module, you actually have a chance to practice an assignment. So after, excuse me, excuse me, after watching those accounts on how to do assignments, we're actually going to practice it. Again, I have another video that actually walks you through the process again as it relates to this page. So make sure you're watching it. Make sure you get that assignment done so you're ready to go for the semester. After you've practiced the assignment, you now need access to your textbook. So in the next page of the Getting Started module, I basically walk you through that. There's two videos. The first one is about how to get access to the textbook. And then the second video is walk around the My Math Lab environment, showing you what that looks like. So please make sure you watch those. And then the next page is basically some resources for you to go through and look at. And then, oops, there should be, oops, I think I accidentally turned off a page, but there should have been a page where you're looking at an introduction. So let me make sure, yeah, I need to add that. I think I forgot it or I left it off. So I'll get that added, but that's also a page that you'll be where you can write your introduction and learn how to go through a discussion board. So there's basically an overview of the Getting Started module. You guys basically get to work on it page by page. Make sure you're reading what I've written as well as watching the videos. That way you have a full idea of the things you're going to have to do throughout the semester so you're prepared to do everything right. Okay, so if you have any questions, please ask. Otherwise, I'll be seeing you in some videos shortly. Let me stop sharing and just keep on trucking. Talk to you guys later.